The first observation of a transit of Venus. Jeremiah Horrocks, 1618 to 1641. Planetary transits offered an opportunity to test the first of Johannes Kepler's 3 laws of planetary motion, that the planets orbit the Sun in an elliptical path. The brief passages by Venus and Mercury across the disk of the Sun, at the times predicted by Kepler's Rudolphine tables, would reveal whether the underlying theory was correct. The first test, a 1631 transit of Mercury observed by French astronomer Pierre Gassendi, proved encouraging. However, his attempt to spot the transit of Venus a month later failed due to inaccuracies in Kepler's figures. These same figures predicted a near miss for Venus and the Sun in 1639, but English astronomer Jeremiah Horrocks calculated that a transit would in fact occur. At sunrise on December 4, 1639, Horrocks set up his best telescope, focusing the Sun's disk onto a piece of card. Around 3:15 p.m., the clouds cleared, revealing a spot of unusual magnitude Venus, edging across the Sunday. While Horrocks marked its progress on the card, timing each interval, a friend measured the transit in another location. By using the 2 sets of measurements from the different viewpoints, and by recalculating the diameter of Venus relative to the Sun, Horrocks could then estimate Earth's distance from the Sun more accurately than ever before. I received my first intimation of the remarkable conjunction of Venus and the Sunday. It induced me, in expectation of so grand a spectacle, to observe with increased attention. Jeremiah Horrocks. In context. Branch, Astronomy. Before. 1543 Nicolaus Copernicus makes the first complete argument for a sun-centered, heliocentric, universe. 1609 Johannes Kepler proposes a system of elliptical orbits, the first complete description of planetary motion. After 1663 Scottish mathematician James Gregory devises a way to measure the exact distance from Earth to the Sun using observations of the transits of Venus in 1631 and 1639. 1769 British explorer Captain James Cook observes and records the transit of Venus in Tahiti in the South Pacific. 2012 astronomers observe the last transit of Venus of the 21st century.